Hi guys, let's look at one more question. It's a two-digit number is greater than twice the number formed by interchanging the digits. Now, point to focus, the question did not tell you greater than what. So it's just greater than, right? So if I talk about a two-digit concept, the two-digit number becomes 10a plus b. Now 10a plus b is greater than sign, which is twice the number formed by interchanging the digits. So the number formed by interchanging the digits becomes 10b plus a. So if I simplify this, what do we get here? We get 10a plus b is greater than 20b plus 2a. Or when I transpose, I get 8a is greater than 19b. Clear? So I get this value here. And the question says if the unit digit is a non-zero number. So we have to satisfy this condition. A and B are digits. A cannot be 0. And the question says B also cannot be 0. Right? So, and now the question is asking you how many such values can the two-digit number take? So what we can easily do is, if you understand, I can write A is greater than 19B by 8. Clear? And 19B by 8 becomes 8 2s are 16, 2 point something. That means A is greater than 2B. Either we are going it on those lines, or a very easy method of doing this is start assuming values. If I take the value of B is equal to 1, is there any value of A that will satisfy? So 8a is greater than 19. Clear? I repeat, if I take b is equal to 1, I get 8a is greater than 19. Now 8 into what is greater than 19? I repeat, a and b will take digits from 0 to 9 only. So I know that 8 to the 16 does not work. So 8 into 3 is 24. And the maximum value that a can take is 9. And similarly, I go till 8 into 9. So 8 into 3 is 24 is greater than 19. 8 4s are 32 is greater than 19, which means 3 can be accepted, 41 can be accepted, 51 can be accepted, 61 can be accepted, 71 can be accepted, 81 can be accepted, and 91 also can be accepted. Clear, guys? Now, this is how you quickly calculate that the minimum value of A will be 3 if B is equal to 1. And the maximum value of A will be 9. So how many numbers are there from 3 to 9? That is 9 minus 3 plus 1. That means I have a total of 7 values. Now these are the 7 values that A will take if B is equal to 1. Now can B be just equal to 1? Let's try to see this. Now let me take the value of B is equal to 2. If I take the value of B is equal to 2, then what do I get? 19 twos. What is 19 twos? 19 twos is 38. Now if I want 8A is greater than 38, that means A is greater than 4. Greater than 4 point something. If A is greater than 4, that means all the values that A will take will be from 5 to 9. This is a quicker way of calculating. Clear? So how many values are there from 5 to 9? That is 9 minus 5 plus 1. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So what are those values? I'll have 52. I will have 62. I will have 72. I will have 82. And I will have 92. So how many are these further values? These are 5 further values. Clear, guys? Now the next part is we take the value of B is equal to 3. Let us extend this calculation here. So if I take the value of B is equal to 3, then what am I getting here? 19 threes are. What is 19 threes? 19 threes is 57. So if 8A is greater than 57, that means A is greater than 57 by 8, which is 8 sevens are 56, 7 point something. Greater than 7, which means the values that A can take will be 8, or the values that A can take will be 9. Clear? So that becomes how much? 2 more values. And finally, what do we have? If I take the value of B is equal to 4, will B equal to 4 satisfy? Let's try to understand. Now 19 fours is 76. The maximum value that A can take is 9. So 8 nines is 72. So therefore, no value, 72 is less than 76. Therefore, no value of A will satisfy if B is equal to 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. So none of the values of A will satisfy the given condition. Right? So therefore, how many values are there which will satisfy the given condition? We will have 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So there are 14 values which will satisfy this condition. And therefore, the answer in this case becomes 14. So in case you're quick enough to calculate, somewhere around 90 seconds to 120 seconds should be your answer, guys. And our job should always be, whenever we are talking about digits, we should keep in mind what is the range of A and what is the range of B. Are you getting it? So that is what will help you to get the answer. If I take the range of A is equal to minimum 1, so 8 into 1 will be 8. And the range of A is maximum 9, so 8 into 9 is 72. So A can take all these values, that is, so left hand side will take 8 to 72. Similarly, right hand side will take a lot more values or lot many less values. So you have to keep that in mind. What is the range of A? What is the range of B? And that will help you to get the final answer. So it's a very good question for us to look at within the time frame. The only thing that makes it difficult is the greater than sign and the number of values that you have to calculate. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you, guys.